it's time to rethink how you do things. No access is frustrating and costly. Voicescape Compliance is designed to help. Let's put an end to the inefficient process of managing appointments. How does a 60% reduction in no access sound? And now you can take compliance to the next level. Let me explain. Voicescape Compliance lets you use automation to reach out to tenants to book, confirm and reschedule appointments using a combination of voice and SMS. Hello? We're calling regarding your gas service. We need to carry out your annual gas service on Tuesday between 9 AM and 3 PM. Press 1 to confirm this appointment, or alternatively, if you need to change this appointment, press 9 and we'll transfer you to one of our team. This gives tenants more control and enhances the customer experience and frees up your officers for those higher value tasks. Just imagine how much time and money this could save. Tenants feel valued, the team's job satisfaction goes up, and you'll be back in the driver's seat. Want to learn more? Get in touch with us today.